Welcome to Life with me, Gina Marie, and I'm making beef soup with beef shanks today. I'm going to start with some carrots, and I'm not going to chop them up. I'm just going to leave them whole. An onion, a couple of garlic, or more, if you like. Chop up some nice celery, 2, 3, 4 stalks. I chop it big so it doesn't shrink in the soup. Set that aside and get your parsley ready that I just pulled out of my garden on November 4th, 2020. I still had parsley to go in at the end to add beautiful color. I got Grandma's pot here. Thanks, Grandma and Mom, for giving me the pot. I put some peppercorn in it, and I'm going to add my meat and some liquid. Pretty much half broth and half water. Beef broth and water. Some people just use water, but make sure you get enough in there because you're going to put vegetables in there as well. You want to cover everything. You want to turn it on a medium-high heat to get it going and watch it. We're going to skim that fat off the top too. Placing an onion in there, I'm going to skim a little bit and stir. Never letting it come to a roaring boil. If you want a clear broth, never let it come to a roaring boil. Keep it nice and simmering. And you got to watch it to do that and keep skimming the fat off the top until it becomes nice and clear. You might still have to skim more, but I'm going to put my garlic in. There's my tomatoes in the can. They're whole tomatoes. I'm going to strain most of the juice off of them. I usually put 3, 4, 5, I don't know, depending on how many you want. They break up and become beautiful color in the soup later. Skimming again off the top to get the fat off. I hope this is as good as my mom's. My mom made a great beef soup. The tomatoes are starting to break up now, and I'm stirring it. And getting ready to add some vegetables here. I'm going to keep it at a simmer at all times. I'm going to add the carrots, the whole carrots. I got lazy. I have arthritis. I just sometimes like them that way. However you like it. A little bay leaf or two, and your chopped chunky celery. Throw it all in there now. Save the parsley for later so it remains nice and green in the end. It's pretty against the red tomatoes and the orange carrots. And stir it all nice and good. I have battle wounds from working and burning my arms on the stove. I'm so short. I stand on a stool, a step stool. Stirring again. Sometimes I ask Michael to do that for me if he's not too busy, but it's looking beautiful and clear at a simmer, and in a couple of hours, it just turns into goodness. We're gonna boil up some pastina, a pasta for soup, the Italians like, and get it nice and al dente. Drain it real good, and we're gonna blend our soup in with our noodles, and voila! Beef soup and beef shanks. Bon appetit, and strive to be happy. Have a great day.